So like I said, HighOh is a small company, but they do sell menstrual products, so panties, and this is what they look like. And I got mine in a size small, but they do come in a lot of different sizes. I think when I was looking on the site, I saw that they went up to a 3X, I believe. I got the period panties. Of course, they're black, and these are the underwear. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of a close-up of what they're looking like. They are actually a period starter kit, and they came in a set of 2. It also comes with this travel bag. They are very, very comfortable, I will say that. They're very soft, very comfortable. You can go to sleep in them. You can wear them all day. You can just wear them like regular underwear because, like I said, they are reusable. You can just wash them. And I plan on getting more of these underwear because they were just very comfortable. I like them. They are a cruelty-free brand, very sustainable, and it does hold quite a bit of blood. Very happy with the product. Like I said, I do want to get more of the period panties, and they are reusable, so you can save quite a bit of money.